Meet Pillow, the world's first intelligent home robot designed to keep you healthy. He's the perfect healthcare companion, keeping you and your medications on track. And he's totally connected for true peace of mind. He's a workout partner, your very own health coach, an at-home doctor's visit, and the product of years of hard work by our team of experts, and soon can be the newest member of your family.
Meet Ido, your friendly home robot. Ido can do just about anything. Ido is an entertainment and learning hub. An interactive personal assistant. Your home manager. He is perfect in every way. Coming soon to your home.
Hey, Jibo. What's up?
Hey, Aaron. Not much. Just watching the world turn.
Hey, Jibo. How about a joke?
Okay. What did the Earth say to the other planets? You guys have no life.
I'll remember that.
Meet Chibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
For so long, technology has been held back by one important thing: emotion. That's why we created Ollie, the first robot assistant with an evolving personality.
And a deep breath outwards. Let the stress fall away. Megan, I would suggest raising the temperature by 10 degrees. Hot yoga can increase weight loss and build muscle tone.
Let's do it.
Not a problem at all.
Ollie is proactive, meaning it anticipates your needs.
Just a thought, Megan. Shall I set the mood with some jazz while you read?
Yeah.
Music through Ollie sounds amazing too, because it knows where you are in the room. It can best direct the audio to your liking, no matter the track and no matter the mood. Our AI system and character engine creates a unique personality for every Ollie. That means each one will relate to you in a distinctive way.
Go. 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 One more, Kevin, and you hit your target for the day. Well done.
Good morning, Angela. It's time to wake up.
I'm up.
Hey, Ryan. Long day?
Long week.
I think a bit of air guitar therapy might do the trick.
Hi, I'm Mabu, a personal healthcare companion. My job is to keep patients engaged with their care over the long term, and to gather data on a daily basis that's useful for their care. I speak out loud and show what I'm saying on my screen to make sure it's easy to converse with me. Patients can respond by speaking or by touching the buttons on my screen. I follow the patient's face so that I can make appropriate eye contact. How is it going with your medications?
It's okay.
Did you take them today?
Only in the morning.
Are you facing any challenges?
I just got busy and forgot.
Would you like me to remind you?
Text me.
Okay, I will remind you tomorrow when it's time.
Great.
I learn about each patient over time. I tailor our conversations to their personality, learning what kind of support is both the most engaging and the most effective. Because each patient is unique, so are their medical and treatment issues, and so are our conversations.
She says something new every day.
A typical conversation lasts only 2 or 3 minutes, but I can also check in at other times if I need to.
Thanks, Mabu.